If you need to request a refund on Epic Games, the fastest way is to use the self-refund option right from your account. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps, explain the refund requirements, and show you what items are not eligible. If this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and gaming tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games website. Once the page loads, log into the account that was used to purchase the game. Make sure you're signing into the correct account because refunds can only be requested from the account that owns the purchase. After you're logged in, go to your account section. From there, look for transactions. This is where Epic Games stores your purchase history, including games, add-ons, and other store items. Open the transactions page and find the game you want to refund. Now, check whether the purchase shows as self-refundable. This is very important because the self-refund method only works if Epic allows it for that specific item. If it is eligible, you'll see the option to request a refund. Click Request Refund, then choose the reason that best matches your situation. Be honest and select the most accurate reason, since this helps Epic process the request properly. After that, confirm the refund request and follow any final prompts on the screen. Now, before you finish, make sure you understand the refund rules. Epic Games usually requires the refund request to be made within 14 days of purchase. You also need to have less than 2 hours of playtime on the game. If you've played longer than that, the refund may not be available. Also, not everything is refundable. Items like V-Bucks and other in-game currency are generally not eligible. Consumables and some skins may also be non-refundable, depending on the item. Gifts are another category that usually cannot be refunded through the standard self-refund process. If you do not see the self-refundable option, that usually means the item does not qualify, or it falls outside Epic's refund policy. In that case, you may need to check Epic's help pages for more details, but the self-refund method is always the first place to start because it's the quickest and easiest option. So to recap, go to Epic Games, log in, open account, go to Transactions, select the game, click Request Refund, choose your reason, and confirm. Just remember the 2 big rules: request within 14 days and keep playtime under 2 hours. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.